Hi, I'm Dan McGinnis, and if you're thinking about buying or selling a home and you're in San Diego, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Seattle, Dallas, Cincinnati, Columbus, Ohio, I can help you because I've got 40 years experience in the business, okay? So I got a good idea of what is a good realtor and what is not so good a realtor, because I've experienced working with about 1,500 different ones, or maybe 2,000. And I understand each real estate agent, it has to do with their personality, with their likability, with their how they can establish a relationship. You get me? I mean, I am excited about helping people buy and sell homes. And when people tell me it's time to take a break or time to go eat, I don't care about that. I'm ready to help somebody else if I can help somebody else. So what I do is I find the realtor in the city that you're wanting to sell or buy a home for you. But I may talk to 10 or 20 different real estate agents until I ask them enough questions till I see they're close to being somewhat like me. If they don't have the energy and enthusiasm and excitement and an integrity that I have, then I don't want you having them help you. I want you to have a good agent. I'd love to help you find that. You just give me a call, 602-570-2442. Tell me where, when, and let me go to work for you. It doesn't cost you one penny. I hope your day is as great as mine.